Hi Pre-K, it's Mrs. Hilt. I'm here to give you your math video for today, our calendar math, and we're going to go over our days in school, the dates, the date for today. We're going to look at our pattern on our counting tape, and we're going to play a little game, Guess My Number. And we're going to do some number bear activities with the number 8. So make sure that you have your piece of paper and your pencil in front of you so that you can write your numbers with me. And we'll go ahead and get started. So class, let's go ahead and talk about how many months are there in the year? There are 12 months in the year, and we'll say them. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And how many days are there in the week? There are 7 days in the week. Let's sing them. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So, where was my apple pointer when we got to the today sign? Do you know? Maybe, let's get a little closer. We'll sing it again, and when I get to the today sign, let's stop. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. And guess what? I spy a letter that we're working on this week. T. Do you see that? T. The letter T. And also Sunday. Let's find out if there's any other days of the week that have our S or T in it. We have Sunday, Monday. We know Tuesday has a T. How about Wednesday? No. How about Thursday? Do you see a S or a T? Ah, there is a T. You're right. This T has a little different sound than the Tuesday sound. This one has more of a th. Thursday. Say Thursday. Yeah, it doesn't sound exactly like a T. We don't say Thursday, right? And you're going to learn about that phonogram in kindergarten. It's actually called a double letter phonogram that says th. We'll talk about that another day. But that's Thursday. How about this day? Do we see a T or a S in it? No. How about this one? You're right. S. Saturday. S has a S sound. So now we know in our calendar math, we also can talk about our S and T sounds. All right, let's find out what, we know that it's Tuesday, and then we know that we're in April. Let's find out what number is going to be. Count with me. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and you're right, it's the 7th today. Now let's talk, we're gonna go ahead and just put the 7 on. We'll talk about our pattern a little bit later. There's our 7. Okay, so we have, today is Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. Let's say it again. Today is I heard you. Let's do it together again. Today is Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. Good job, Pre-K. Well, we know that today's number is the number 7. So I'm going to go over to my day of the month board, and you're going to write a 7 with me. So go ahead and get out your paper and your pencil. And you can say, see here, I have day of month. So I'm going to write a 7. Can you tell me how to write it? Slide right, then what? slant left. You're correct. And notice that I stopped on my baseline. I didn't go below the baseline. I want to keep it nice and neat. So today's number is 7 because it's April 7th. How has your April been so far this month? Have you had rain? Have you had hail? Those little tiny bits of ice that fall? I know yesterday was Sunday and we were out in the backyard because the sun was out and we were getting our garden ready for spring and getting all the weeds torn out and making our nice patio in the back all level. So we had a good time in the backyard yesterday. I hope you're having some fun outside also. Okay, now it's time for our days in school. Today we're going to count by ones all the way up to our new number. And remember, now we're going around the alphabet and back, so it's going to be interesting. So here's my Apple pointer, and we're going to count by ones all the way up. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? There's going to be a lot of counting. All right, stay with me. And whenever we get to a white 0 the hero, you can clap. My hands are full with a phone and a pointer, so I can't clap, but you guys clap. All right, here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I heard you clap. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. Did you say 78? Good. I'm glad you said 78. That is the correct number. Now, what color is our number 78 going to be on? What color card is the 78 going to be on? Let's think. Let's look. A 78 has a 7 and an 8 on it. Let's see if we can find any other cards that have an 8. So there's a 7 there, but no 8. There's an 8. Let's keep going. There's another 8. There's another 8. Do you see the pattern? What color is our card going to be today? You're right, it's brown. I have my brown card here, so we're going to write 78. Can you tell me how to write a 78? That is the wrong color, Mrs. Hilt. There we go. Can you tell me how to write a 78? We know 70, slide right, slant left. How about 8? That's right. Make an S, but do not wait. Climb back up and blast off. There it is. I hope your 78 looks really wonderful. And we're going to take this 78 up and put it up. And you know what? I have my chair here today. I'm going to need to step on my chair in order to get this 78 up. Now remember, when we write 78, Zero the hero is hiding in the back. Remember, he was a gentleman and got out of the way. So we have 70. There's Zero the hero. And then he gets out of the way, and then we start over with 1. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, and 78. So the 0, the 70 part, he's waiting in the back, and there's 78. Okay, so we have our number of days in school, and now we're going to add our counting tape. So let's talk about our pattern for the month. Remember last week, you guys did kites. Did you enjoy that? I bet you loved cutting out all of those triangles. Well, today we have our counting tape set up, and you can see we've started at 1, and let's count and add in. You can see I've already added in our 7. Let's count all the way up there. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do the counting tape again, and this time, let's say what the color of the kite is. Ready? Red, blue, yellow, green. Red, blue, yellow. Seems like we have our pattern going. How many colors did I say? How many different colors were there? Count on your fingers how many colors I say. Red, that's 1 color. Blue, that's 2 colors. Yellow, that's 3 colors. Green, that's 4 colors. Red. Now, have we seen red before? Yes, we have. So we're not going to count that again. So we have 4 colors that we've used so far. So if there's 4 colors, that means we're going to have 4 letters. We're going to assign a letter for every color. So our first color is red. That's going to be the letter A. Our next color is blue. That's going to be the color or the letter B. Then yellow is going to be the letter C. And there's green. Green is our last new color. That's going to be D. So I have an A, B, C, D pattern. Even though they're all kites, they're all different colors. So what letter am I going to put above the red? A, that's right. What about above the blue? If you said B, you are correct. And what about the yellow? That's right, the yellow had C over it. So what do you think tomorrow's color is going to be? Do you know what tomorrow's color will be? Okay, well, we'll check back tomorrow and we'll see if you're right. Okay, now let's play a game, Guess My Number. I'm going to tell you a number. I'm going to be thinking about a number, and then I'm going to tell you the numbers that come before that number and after that number. And you have to tell me what number I'm thinking about, okay? All right. My first number is 1 more than 4 and 1 less than 6. I'll turn the camera around and say it again. My number is 1 less than 4. Excuse me. I'll say that again. My number is 1 more than 4 and 1 less than 6? Let's see if we can figure that out. If you already know it, go ahead and say it out loud to your moms or dads, okay? So here's the number 4. I said my number is 1 more than 4. And my number is 1 less than 6. Can you guess my number? If you said 5, you are correct. My number was 5. Let's do that one more time. The number that I'm thinking of is 1 more than 3 and 1 less than 5. Can you figure it out? There's 3. My number is 1 more than 3 and 1 less than 5. What is my number? If you said 4, you are correct. Did you say 4? Good job. Okay, so you can play that game with your family at home. You can play it with your siblings. You can play it with your dad. You could even play it with yourself. Mrs. Hilt, I'm thinking of a number that's 1 less than 3. Mrs. Hilt, did you think it was 2? Yes, I did. I got my number right. There you go. Okay, Number Bear. What number is Number Bear today? That's right. Number Bear is 8. And I'm looking at his flowers and balloons and pockets and buttons and pencils, and he looks like he's all good. But Number Bear has not been getting outside very much. He's been kind of sitting on the couch. He hasn't been going out to exercise. So we need to help Number Bear do some exercises, okay? So let's stand up. And what do you think we should do? We have to do his number, so it has to be 8 of something. What do you want to do? Really? You want to spin around 8 times? Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to spin around the opposite way so we don't get dizzy. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you spin around 8 times? Are you feeling kind of dizzy? Well, you're spinning around. You're looking kind of dizzy there. Are you all right? Okay, good. What else can we do? Okay, are you ready? We're going to lift our hands up 8 times. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You did it. What is something else you can do that's 8 times? Jumping? Yes, we can jump. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, you guys did a great job. I'm so happy that you are getting good exercise. And you know what? Number Bear feels better too. He's very happy that he's gotten some exercise. Well, today you're going to play Guess Your Number with your family, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again tomorrow. We have a special day tomorrow. All right. Bye, Pre-K.